Tired of juggling spreadsheets and losing track of customer information? Want a streamlined system to manage all your client data in one place? Then you're in the right spot. In this video, we'll dive deep into creating new customers within the powerful Xero accounting software. We'll cover everything from essential contact details to crucial financial information, ensuring you have a solid foundation for successful client relationships. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that simplifies bookkeeping for businesses of all sizes. One of the core aspects of using Xero effectively is accurately recording customer information. This data is vital for various functions, including invoicing, generating professional invoices with the correct customer details, sales tracking, monitoring sales trends and identifying top-performing customers, reporting, creating insightful reports on customer activity and revenue, payment processing, streamlining payment collection through automated processes. By creating accurate customer records in Xero, you can save time, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your business performance. Step-by-step guide. Accessing the customer list. Start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the Customers tab. You'll see a list of your existing customers. To add a new one, click on the New Customer button. This will open a new window or tab. Entering contact details. The first step is to enter the customer's contact information. Name. Enter the full legal name of the customer, individual, or company. Contact person. If applicable, enter the name of the primary contact person. Email address. Enter the primary email address for communication. Phone number. Enter the primary phone number for contact. Address. Enter the complete address, including street, city, state, and postal code. Website. If the customer has a website, enter it here. Notes. Add any relevant notes about the customer, such as preferred communication methods, payment terms, or any special instructions. Adding financial information. Next, let's add the financial details. Tax rate. Select the appropriate tax rate for this customer. Currency. Choose the currency in which you will be invoicing this customer. Account number. If you use customer account numbers in your system, enter it here. Credit limit. Set a credit limit if you want to restrict the amount of credit you extend to this customer. Discount. If you offer any discounts to this customer, specify them here. Payment terms. Define the payment terms, such as due on receipt or net 30 days. Adding contacts. You can add multiple contacts associated with the customer. Click on the Contacts tab. Click Add Contact. Enter the contact details, such as name, email address, phone number, and job title. You can add multiple contacts, such as billing contacts, shipping contacts, and technical contacts. Adding tracking categories. If you use tracking categories in Xero, you can assign them to this customer. Click on the Tracking tab. Select the relevant tracking categories from the drop-down lists. Tracking categories help you segment your customers and track sales performance across different dimensions. Adding attachments. You can attach relevant documents to the customer record. Click on the Attachments tab. Click Add Attachment. Select the file you want to upload, such as a customer agreement or a purchase order. Saving the customer. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. The customer will be added to your customer list in Xero. Tips and best practices. Data accuracy. Ensure all information is accurate and up-to-date to avoid errors and maintain a clean database. Consistency. Use consistent formatting and terminology for all customer records. Regular reviews. Regularly review and update customer information to maintain accuracy and relevance. Utilize tracking categories. Leverage tracking categories to gain valuable insights into your customer base and sales performance. Explore Xero's features. Familiarize yourself with all the features available within the customer record, such as custom fields and contacts, to maximize the benefits of using Xero. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues while creating a new customer, double-check all the entered information for any errors. Ensure you have the necessary permissions within your Xero account. Refer to the Xero Help Center for troubleshooting tips and support resources. Additional considerations. Importing customers. If you have a large number of customers to add, you can import them from a spreadsheet using Xero's import function. Customer statements. Xero allows you to generate and send customer statements directly from the software. Customer groups. You can create customer groups to segment your customers and apply specific settings or discounts. Creating accurate and comprehensive customer records in Xero is crucial for efficient business operations. By following these steps and incorporating best practices, you can streamline your customer management processes, improve data accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.